Good afternoon to all the students. Today we will continue Unit 7 of GK, and the pages we are going to read, that is 7 natural wonders of the world. First is an aurora borealis is a natural phenomena in which a natural display of light is seen in the sky in high latitudes around the Arctic and the Antarctic extremely cold regions. The phenomena is also referred to as the polar lights, northern lights, and southern lights. The prominent colors visible in the northern lights are blue and green, and in southern lights are red. At times, the southern lights form At times, the northern lights form waves across the sky. And this is the picture of aurora borealis. एक illusion होता है, दिखाई देता है, पर होता नहीं है actually. Second है the harbor of Rio de Janeiro is located in Brazil. It is also known as Guanabara Bay. The bay holds the record of being the world's largest bay by the volume of water. The harbor is surrounded by the magnificent granite monolith mountains. Okay. Next, third, this is the picture of harbor of Rio de Janeiro. Next is the Grand Canyon. Is massive gorge. It is located in the state of Arizona in the United States. The gorge is a natural wonder owing to its overall scale and size. The gorge has been created by the Colorado River. This is a picture of the Grand Canyon. Next wonder of the world is the Great Barrier Reef. Stretches across the northern coast of Queensland, Australia. It is the world's largest formation created by living organisms. It also happens to be the largest coral reef in the world and supports one of the most diverse ecosystems in the world. This is the picture of Great Barrier Reef. Next, Mount Everest. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world, situated in the Himalayan mountain range on the border between Nepal and Tibet. And the mountain is known as Sagarmatha in Nepal and Chomolunga in Tibet. Next is Pericotine volcano, is cinder cone volcano in Macaicon, Mexico. The city of Mexico. Through the volcano has been dormant since 1952, when it had last erupted. It has been included in the world's 7 natural wonders as an active volcano. Next है Victoria Falls. Is the world's largest waterfall and one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. The waterfall is located in the southern Africa on the Zambezi River between Zambia and Zimbabwe. And let's move to next page. Lines on the globe. Let's talk about the lines on the globe. First line is Tropic of Capricorn, is the dividing line between the southern temperature zone to the south and the Tropic of the North. Next है Equator, represents 0 degree latitude and divides the world into northern and southern hemisphere. Next आता है Antarctic circle, is the boundary of the south frigid zone to the south. Next है Tropic of Cancer, is also known as the northern tropic. Next is Prime Meridian, runs through Greenwich, England, and is denoted by 0 degree longitude. Next is Tropics, are region surrounding the equator and two imaginary lines where the sun is directly overhead at the noon on the two solstices. Next page is famous personalities. Let's talk about the famous personalities of India and international personalities. The first African American to serve as the President of the United States of America and was instrumental in neutralizing in the world's most wanted terrorist, Osama bin Laden, and the name of this personality is Obama. Barack Obama. Next is the former CEO of Boeing and Ford Motor Company. He was also an aerospace engineer. He retired from Ford Motors in 2014 and the name of the personality is Alan Mulally. Next is the 14th spiritual leader of Tibetan Buddhism. He was born in 1935 and works towards spreading world peace, Dalai Lama. She is a German politician. I will show you the picture of Dalai Lama, Alan Mulally, and this is Barack Obama. Next, she is German politician and is often considered as one of the most powerful women in the world since 2005. She has been serving as the Chancellor of Germany, and the name of the personality is Angela Merkel, and the picture is this. Next, this entrepreneur and philanthropist was born in 1964 in Mexico and is currently the CEO of Amazon, which he started in the garage in 1994, and the name of the personality is Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos. Let's move to the next page. Social reformers. She was a world famous Kenyan environment. Look at this, social and political activist, and also the first African woman to win the Nobel Prize, Peace Prize. जो first woman है to win the Nobel Peace Prize, and she campaigned for equal benefits for women and worked a lot towards the Green Belt movement. She also was a pro-democracy activist, and the ये activist है. This is the name of this. I will show you the picture first, and the name of the personality is Wangari Maathai. Wangari Maathai. Next is his real name was Narendra Nath Datta. Was born in Kolkata in 1863. He was a disciple of the Ramakrishna mission. He became a monk at a very young age and spread the essence of Hinduism, Vedic religion, and spirituality across the world, and the name of this personality is Swami Vivekananda, social reformer. Next, this famous social reformer was born in Bengal family in 1820 and worked against polygamy and encouraging widow marriage to uplift the social status of women in the society, and the name of the personality is Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Next, she worked for world peace and was an activist, author, and a sociologist. She worked as a social worker in the United States for the suffrage of women and was awarded a Nobel Prize for her work. She is also famous as the founder of the Hull House, a progressive settlement home for the poor people. And the name of this personality, this social reformer, is Jane Addams. Next, this famous social worker was born in 1827 in Satara, Maharashtra. He worked hard for educating the poor as well as the women. He wanted to end all kinds of social discrimination based on caste. And the name of this personality is Jyotirao Phule. I will show you a picture. Next, he is considered to be the one of the greatest president of USA. He worked hard to consolidate the states of the country and worked towards the upliftment of slaves. A few years into the presidency, he abolished slavery from the whole country. And the name of this personality, social reformer, is Abraham Lincoln. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.